Bonjour, Kinamagan in Ireland Adishnikas, and welcome to this short video tutorial about using Words Their Way. I have opted to log in as one of the students, and under Words Their Way, you will see a post here. So I'm going to click it. It gives me the opportunity to wait 6 seconds or take it there now. I'm going to sign in as that student and allow it. So this student is lucky enough that they don't have to go through this step. Yay for them. Preferred language, you choose an icon, and then you're ready to get started, and you'd hit let's go. That'll be the steps you need to take to get ready to start, and then you'll get into the lesson. The reason I'm not going to guess their preferences is I don't want to set something for a student that they're like, whoa, Mr. Ireland, not cool. But once you get through these steps, you'll hit let's go and follow your way through. There should be about 4 assignments this week related to Words Their Way. There will be no spelling test this first week. The goal of week 1 is to kind of get yourselves acclimated to the site and be able to use it later on. All assignments will be labeled with the current week number to match up with our learning plan. So they'll say week 7, even though this is the first week for it. Go ahead and end this. If you have any issues with logging in, please do email me at mireland@sagchipschool.net or see me during our live stream or office hours. We'll be working to get you guys all logged in here in the first day or so, and then you'll have 4 different sorts or other spelling activities that you can do throughout the week. And then we'll have further updates as we add spelling tests in an upcoming episode. Without further ado, have a mental gijagad, bamapi.